As you may have heard, the FMCSA updated its guidance on the use of personal conveyance. Personal conveyance allows the use of C&V vehicles while off-duty and relieved of all responsibilities of work. Under the new guidance, the C&V may be laden. Van operators may use personal conveyance to reach a nearby reasonably safe location to obtain rest after loading or unloading, including after the exhaustion of their work hours. The following must be applied when using personal conveyance. Personal conveyance must be recorded in the record of duty status. Personal conveyance cannot be used to further or complete work. FMCSA states resting location must be the first such location that is reasonably available. Personal conveyance cannot be used to enhance location for the next workday. Personal conveyance is in off-duty status, meaning there are no changes in the HOS. Personal conveyance cannot be used to transport unit for repair work. And personal conveyance can be used to move a CMV at the request of law enforcement. A bulletin with more detailed information is available for our agents on AtlasNet, or you can contact safety at extension #2502.